The assisted chair squat. I'm gonna be in a stretch cage doing this, but you can have a chair in a doorway, hold onto your hands on the side of the doorway for plenty of stability. You're gonna put a chair right behind you and you're gonna focus on pushing your butt back to where you touch the chair, or sit back in a comfortable range of motion where you feel your glutes engage and the back and base the back and the front of your legs talk to you. You don't wanna have your low back or your knees talk to you in any way, shape, or form. So sit back in a comfortable range of motion and squat down and push the heels and come up nice and tall. Whenever you come down, also let your knees push out. Don't let your knees come in whenever you squat down. So I'm gonna kind of push my knees apart and keeping my big toes and my heels down, squat and come up nice and tall, just like so. Try and keep a nice tall posture with your chest, lead with your hips, and drive up through your heels. Again, this is called the assisted chair squat.